And our last stop is Louisiana State University, also known as LSU. LSU was originally founded in 1860 in Pineville, Louisiana. The current campus was constructed in 1926. And today the main campus is approximately 650 acres and consists of 250 buildings that are mostly of the Italian Renaissance style of architecture. LSU is the largest university in the state of Louisiana. In 2021, it enrolled 28,000 undergraduate students and 4,500 graduate students. LSU is one of 8 universities in the United States to offer dental, law, veterinary, medical, and MBA programs. The LSU Athletics Department fields teams in 21 varsity sports, 9 men's and 12 women's. However, it is known for its deep and prestigious football program. LSU has won 4 national championships, with the most recent being in 2019. The 2019 NCAA football team went 15-0 and is widely regarded as being the best team in college football history. The home arena of LSU football is Tiger Stadium. Tiger Stadium opened with a capacity of 12,000 in 1924. Expansions and renovations have brought the seating capacity to 102,000, making it the 8th largest stadium in the world. Tiger Stadium has the nickname of Death Valley, due to being one of the most difficult arenas to play for opposing teams. And the credit for that should go to Tiger Nation, which is known for being one of the loudest fan bases in the world. If you enjoyed today's tour, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. You can also donate to the channel by hitting the Super Thanks button below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be a part of future aerial tours. This is Captain Phillip, and I look forward to seeing you on our next flight.